For unmatched versatility with uncompromising performance, look no further than the Benro WH15 Tripod Kit. Ideal for birdwatching, this kit is designed for speed and won't weigh you down when in use. This tripod kit features an innovative two-way head with an 8-stop counterbalance, setting a new standard. The fluid head supports an impressive 33 pounds. Featuring tilt and pan drag adjustments, you can operate this head smoothly and precisely. And with the head's dual panoramic function, you can capture panoramic photography on uneven terrain. The handle is ergonomically designed and interchangeable. It improves your pans and tilts while staying out of your way. It can be extended and locked quickly and easily, and by unscrewing the handle and attaching a phone clip, it converts into a selfie stick. Its Arca Swiss plate with quick release clamp lock knob allows you to swap out your spotting scope quickly and easily, and use it as a photo or video head. The built-in accessory mount allows for additional attachments. This WH15 kit includes the Mammoth TMTH44C tripod, a 4-section carbon fiber tripod perfect for heavy loads. This tripod features a 75mm flat base leveling ball, and its intuitive modular design easily adapts to your support preferences. For more details on the Mammoth tripod, check out the product video. Never miss a moment with the WH15 birding tripod kit from Benro. What are you waiting for? Let's go.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell for notifications.